Today we're going to talk about the stop and go method. This tip is fun and easy to implement, and your girl will absolutely love it. Trust me on this. Here's the technique in a nutshell. When doing the deed with your partner, take yourself just to the point of climax. Then withdraw. But don't just lay there while you wait for the peak to subside. Kiss her, tease her, use your fingers, etc. Once you've cooled down, penetrate again until you get to the threshold once more. Then withdraw again. I've done this stop-go method as many as 5 times. But once or twice is usually enough. Watch discover how to get much bigger testicles. Please visit the link below this video http://remedito.com/getbiggertesticles. And once you're finished, you have 2 options. Take your partner to climax, then stop without releasing yourself. Takes a lot of discipline. Or, go ahead and release after a few rounds. Plan A will lead to a noticeable increase in testicle size the very next morning. Plan B will turn you into a fire hose when you finally do release. I usually pass on the release when I'm at a hormonal low point. And I suggest you do the same. But when hormones are high, go for the fire hose because you'll recover quickly. Watch this video and discover how to get much bigger testicles. http://remedito.com/getbiggertesticles